Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out Litecoin's price chart. And if you remember, in the previous video we were right around this area, and the idea was that we are going to get another move down because in this region we didn't really identify the best signs. But I said it all comes down in LTC to this important support from weekly and daily time frame, at the same time which the lower band of it is about 75 and the higher band of it is somewhere around $83. And like I said, if we get a break of this thing at that point, we can expect maybe like another 30 to even 40% move down in LTC. So the question is, can we say this support is now broken? In my opinion, no. And I'm gonna say there are still some hopes for LTC. You see, if you want to say we broke the support, you need to go on weekly chart and see a candle close under here, followed by that a pullback to the broken region, and then a continuation of the move down in order to take this low. And do we have something like this or not? Let's go on weekly chart, zoom in more. Okay, as you can see, you can argue this is all candle close, but so far we can say we are having only the pullback phase, and we still do not have a continuation of the move down in order for us to say with a lot of confidence that the support is broken. So in other words, this support is still not broken, and there are still some hopes. Also, another sign in Litecoin that makes me say maybe this is going to be just a simple fake out is this. You see, on the live chart, we are having around this area a low. The other one is a lower low. However, in MACD, we are having a low. The other one is a higher low, meaning in daily time frame, we are having a beautiful and clear bullish divergence, which is a great sign suggesting bears are running out of momentum, and hopefully soon bulls are going to take charge and send the price up. So you see, for now, overall, I think there are still some hopes for LTC, and what we do not want to see is actually a rejection from this level in order to continue this move, and we don't want to see in that move LTC taking this low about $64. If we do this, that is going to be a very bad sign. If we manage to from here get another move up in order to get back above the higher band of this level around, let's say $82.5, and manage to successfully stay there, okay, at that point we can argue, you know what, this was just a simple fake out and it doesn't really count. So I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in LTC's price chart, and until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.